Welcome to Vidya Viber Public School. The first topic we are going to see is sea creature. This is for the month of August. So, here we are drawing an octopus. Just draw a rounded U and where you should draw very free hand. See, there is no for the legs, there is no any particular shape and size. You can draw a like this kind of a like small like a snakes. You can draw a 8 legs for the octopus. So any shape, any style, but no hard edges possible. You should take a curvy lines. And then complete it properly. Draw the eyes, 2 circles, one is big and a small. Make that eyes are looking up. Then make one smile and in the top of the head draw one three small circles like this. Octopus will be in the underwater, right? Yes. So here I am using a dark blue. Okay. Color completely for the octopus a dark blue color. Don't do it very dark, don't do it very light. For these circles, make it outline was a dark and inside fill was a very light. So work with proper direction and angle. Yes, really you know what is direction and angle. If it is you are using left to right, use it properly. Left to right. If you are going right to left, use it the direction right to left. Okay. So color it completely dark to light. And even for the legs you should color the same color. Please don't do it with different color. You can select any one color and you can do it. Here I used a dark blue. You can do it in different color also, but you should use single color. You will not use 2 or 3 color more colors and doing like rainbow color. You will not do like that. You will use single color and you will color it. And make sure that you are not going to color out of the line. A completely color should be filled inside the line, and do it very slowly and carefully. It should be very neat. Yes, after coloring it will be look like this. So make sure that you are colored very evenly. And for the lips use a black color, and for the eyes I am using a black color, and outline also only for the eyes I am giving a outliner black. Yes, octopus is looking upright. So this was the final look how it looks. So the second topic we are learning is cartoon. We like cartoon, right? Doraemon, Chota Beam, Motu Batlu. We have lot of cartoons we have. Here we are going to learn a Pikachu. A Pokemon Pikachu we are doing. Just draw a curve and ears like a leaf and draw like a U. Face will complete when you draw like a U. And then for the body, again draw like a U, little big and wild, and draw the hands and the legs. And in the ear, divided like this in a half into half, draw the eyes very small and tiny, and draw the nose and the lips. So this is how it's look a outer shape of the Pikachu. Now Pikachu will be in the yellow color, right? So complete coloring, we are using a yellow color. Just you fill for the face and the body, for the hands and the legs. Ears also you should color only half, because the other half of the ear will be in the red, in the black color. And for the lips and the chin we are going to use a red color. Yes, no, while coloring, direction and angle is very important. You will not leave the white space, you will color properly. Yes, like this. So now I'll take a black color and I'll color the other half of the ear in a black color. And for the eyes and for the nose. Red color I'll give a chin and for the mouth. Yes, here a Pikachu is ready. So the third topic we are doing here is paper pasting. This is for the month of August. And now here you should draw a spring. We are going to draw a rose and one slight line curve and again slight line curve, and don't connect it, draw a small leaf in the tip. And after doing this, color it. Here I am using a green color. And I am using a red color rose. First you color it very flatly, and then you can give an outline using a red color. And again you can fill completely inside. Outline you can give a dark, and inside when you are filling it should be like very light. And now for the paper pasting I am using a newspaper. In this newspaper I am drawing a stem and the leaf for the rose. Please take a help of your elders, sister, parents, or any elders. Take a help of our elders, and using a scissor you should cut this and tell them to, you just draw and tell them to cut and give, and using a glue you should stick in the book. Please, I'm telling again, you don't use a scissor to cut this. Tell your elders to cut and give. I want you to draw in the newspaper and tell elders to cut and give, and tell them to apply the glue also. Then you stick in the drawing book. See, here are newspaper, paper pasting, outer cut is ready. Now apply the glue and stick. So this is how I am going to stick in the. So apply glue. It's dried lot. So apply a glue. Don't apply very more. Just keep a dot like this. This is enough because it's a newspaper. It will be very thin. Don't apply glue more to the newspaper. Then stick it like a stem and the leaf properly in the edge. Then give one tap to your paper and the newspaper. Yes, this is how it looks. The first topic we learned, it's a sea creature. And second topic we learned a cartoon. It's a Pikachu. And third topic we did a paper pasting. Thank you.